On the set.
I'm gonna have this music playing in my head. Well done.
Hey, Chief.
Namaste. Touchy, touchy. Hi. Dude. Hi. It's milk now. It's milk.
You do realize, of course, with all of us here, there's there's tum, and there's Ghosh.
There's Ghosh.
Gosh.
Yeah.
Rogan, Gosh.
So, you remember last year, the Greenathon?
Yeah.
We are, right now, at least we are ahead. What's the sort of target you'd like us to have? What will you shoot for? 55 villages last year.
You know, looking at the kind of response we've got this year so far, and looking at the kind of just enthusiasm everyone's shown, I think you should easily cross 100 this time.
Oh, come on.
Just question.
You should.
Priyanka Thori talk about making me dance.
56.
55.
56.
No.
Just a question. Once all the villages are lit, what are you going to do next?
No, you know
Then we
something,
shut the
Akshay,
lights.
you know how long it's going to... Akshay, you know how long it's going to take? You know, this is just scratching the surface. And this is a serious thing to worry about. You know, 55 villages last year. Let's say we do 70 this year.
How many
you know
do
how
we
many?
have?
300,000 villages without
That's
electricity.
That's a lot of villages.
300,000.
We still need to light up.
We could be...
Cool.
So we are just scratching the surface. So frankly,
Great.
it's actually not even as much about lighting the villages as it is creating awareness.
Not to be
about it.
flippant, Vikram, but 300,000 villages.
No, but
Two
Vikram-
Greenathons, we've got about 100 covered villages. So we're looking at about 8,500 Greenathons to get 300,000. It's going to take a long
You know,
time.
that's a very scary thought. And I think what's amazing about this endeavor and this effort is the fact that we do not allow that to diminish our spirit and our involvement and our keenness to truly make a difference. Why look at the graver picture? Let's look at the fact that we can be a drop in the ocean.
Yeah, I mean, like both of you, of course, are also very active on Twitter. You must have got
All thanks
lots
to
and
you,
lots of
Vikram.
comments. Yeah, well, thank you. Now, a lot of people have been writing in and saying, yeah, but you know, slightly cynical sometimes. What difference is it going to make? Okay, so 50 villages, big deal. 100 villages, big deal. You're going to create a little bit of awareness, some tamasha. What's the big deal? Is it a big deal?
Absolutely. And that's exactly what I meant to say when I said what I did. I think we need to remember that every time we make any kind of a contribution, no matter how small it is significant.
Actually, before I come to you, there's Milind continuing to run in the box that you can see. Lots of things are actually happening in these small boxes. Milind is running. We've been seeing some of the performances taking place on the various
Milind
green
is
hubs
running.
and calls.
Ashok, they are 100 kilometers. Nobody knows this. 100
This is
kilometers.
amazing.
And amazingly, we're letting him take a taxi back.
He's going to grow up to be a thief.
I think so.
No, this is incredible, and I think the cynics should just shut up and,
No, being
stop
cynical
saying
is
that
an easy way
you know
out.
actors,
It's an
why
easy
are
way
they
out.
involved and.
Actually, I was
That
saying
is
that
the
to some
truth.
people yesterday. It's very easy to be cynical.
very easy to
Sit
be.
at home, be cynical.
I have
what's
my
the big
point
deal?
of view, and that's about it. You know, I go with that. But that's very easy way out. No, to get out there and do something takes effort.
Yeah,
And
Milind
effort
Saman
is something
running.
which people don't do it.
Yeah.
But there are two other things that we're doing as well. I mean, it has to be a rather cohesive whole. It's not just about raising the money. We also obviously have things like planting a tree and taking the pledge which people are doing, which I think is really important because there are a billion people. If even 1% of people actually go out there and plant trees, it'll make a big difference. And cleaning up the neighborhood.
You know something? My house, okay, I use solar power for my heaters and all that, all right? I would like this to be a little governmental issue where it's you know, helped. I mean, buildings should have that. They're all heaters because they really use up a lot of electricity. If they could use solar power, or the government should allow if you use solar, yes, you get
No,
some
but
kind of
I agree. Even though I agree with Arshad, I also feel that there are lots of societies. I'm talking about cooperative societies, housing societies in the country today who are becoming far more aware about these things and are actually incorporating a lot of alternative resources.
So obviously the
heating
awareness,
water through solar energy, and I think that's wonderful.
Tuba.com